How to replacement car center console drink cup holder roller trim of Mercedes Benz E-Class, W204, E-Class W207, W212. Watch the full video step by step. Thank you for watching this video from this channel SES Automotive. Old drinks cup holder roller. The cover is damaged, so it needs to be replaced. This is a new drinks cup holder roller cover. I will open the old cover and install a new drink cup holder roller cover. How to open old drink cup holder roller cover. How to install new drink cup holder roller cover. I will replacement drink cup holder roller cover. Open the console box like this by pressing a switch on the right side. Open this screw to open the upper console cover.
Oh